This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, a bed liner, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and an anti-theft protection system. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.